In this session, we are going to create a nice website using HTML, CSS, and JQuery. Again, this is going to be a very good opportunity for us to review and practice many of the skills we have learned in those chapters. This time, our website is going to be a nice fruits game. So let's go through the game and see how it works. So first of all, once we click on the Start button, we will start getting fruits from the sky, and we are supposed to slice them. If we slice a fruit, we're gonna get 1 point and our score goes up by 1. If we miss a fruit, then we're gonna lose 1 trial, and once we lose all the 3 initial trials, then it is going to be game over. So, first of all, we are going to build the skeleton and decoration of our website using HTML and CSS. We will get some inspiration from our maths game that we built before. So I strongly recommend that you build that one first before moving to this one. And then, together, we are going to go through the logic of our game and understand how everything is linked together. And then we are going to translate that into our jQuery code structure. And then we will write our jQuery code and use some nice functions to build animations and play sound in the background.